Doing one task can earn you up to $1.2. Doing 10 tasks could earn you up to $12. Regular people like us are withdrawing amounts like $2, $6, or even $10 per minute just by doing some simple tasks like watching Google ads, watching videos, and doing other tasks. So don't forget to like this video as we dive into the first step, visiting a new website where you can watch Google ads, watch videos, and do other simple tasks and get paid. I will reveal the name of this site shortly, but first let me show you some of the stats. This platform has already paid out $7 million to its users, and it has received 4.8 star rating from 5,000 users globally. You can trust this website because it is accessible worldwide, meaning you can earn money regardless of where you are. If you live in Africa, this is the opportunity you need. The website is called SwashApp.io. You can search for SwashApp on Google or go directly to SwashApp.io to access their homepage. Currently, they have over 350,000 people making money with SwashApp, and it is completely free to use. You don't have to spend a dime to get started. All you need to do is watch Google ads, watch videos, and download apps. And in turn, you will earn points that can be redeemed as cash, crypto, or gift cards. You can earn a few cents up to hundreds of dollars per task depending on your location. The Swash app is available in over 200 countries, including PayPal, Google Play, Amazon gift cards, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and also Tether. If these methods are not available in your country, you can still receive payments directly to your bank account using a Visa debit card. To start earning with Swash app, click on the Get Swash button, which will direct you to the Google Chrome web store. With over 5,000 positive reviews, you just need to add Swash extension into your Chrome browser. After that, you will be directed to a page asking you if you are a new Swash, and then you need to select yes, I'm new here, and then choose to create a new wallet. After agreeing to terms and privacy policy, click next, and then you'll be able to set your profile such as gender and age, and then enter your email address. Once you are verified, you will have access to the offers and make money from them. As you can see, they have multiple offers available. There are over 15,000 offers waiting for you, and simple offers like Bolt request will give you 10 cents. If you are in any parts of Africa and you use Bolts, whenever you are using Bolt to go from one place to another, don't forget to come to this app and click on Bolt request so that you can make money from it. If you're not interested in the Bolt request ones, then you can simply download these apps that will give you anywhere between 12 cents to even some of them $6. All you need to do is be a first-time users of these apps and then complete the tasks that they have given you. Swash app also has some rules and tips. The general ones is that your profile has to be verified. You have to have more than 10 Swash in your wallet before you remove the money, and you have to have used the latest version of Swash for at least a month. They also have do's and don'ts, but let's read the don'ts. They say don't use multiple devices, don't straight line or speed through survey questions, don't share details of tasks with others including your friends, don't answer questions with fraudulent or inaccurate information, don't manipulate your settings and attempt to defraud Swash app, don't try to complete the same or multiple offers in shorter time, don't use multiple accounts or use someone else's account, and lastly, don't use any type of VPN, VPS, or emulator software. And make sure you don't do any of those things so that you can make money from Swash app. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to like the video, share it with family and friends, and subscribe to the channel. Also comment down below whether you like more of this content or not.